Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a zaconni espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was overheating and this gauge was going all the way to the red zone, so it was basically the pressures that needed to be replaced. This was just failing and it wasn't able to cut the electricity going to the heating element, and that's why it was overheating. Since it was here, we also did a tune-up on the espresso machine. This lever was super stiff and it was really hard to move it up and down. We ended up replacing all the gasket from the steamer as well as from the side glass and pretty much the piston, and yeah, just give it a good tune up. So let's just test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly with this machine, otherwise you're just gonna see coffee barely dripping or just drip coffee. Unfortunately it's a little bit too fine for this machine, and as you can see, just barely dripping in there. And you can totally see the grind is way too fine when you need to do this twice in order to get that extra ounce. But no leaks around the group head or anywhere else. And now for the steamer. As you can see, working perfectly fine. And no leaks again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.